Hello, my name is Danette Dorsey. I joined FES a little under a year ago. When I started with FES, my credit score was about 567. Today, I'm at a 775. I'm so grateful that I learned about this company. I started from not being able to get a credit card to being able to get a credit card for over $20,000 in credit. I also went and refinanced my vehicle. I was at a 15% on my vehicle, now I'm at a 2%. So many different things has happened while being in this company, and you will really want to find out all the information possible to join. If you're interested on fixing your credit, if you're interested on a business, if you're interested in helping the youth, whatever, this company does great things, and you don't want to miss out on all the opportunities that's in your future.